I just got back from the Vallarta market here in Los Angeles. It's a Latin grocery store. They had hibiscus flowers, and I love Jamaica, which is hibiscus flower tea, if you will. And I thought, well, my lemons are happening. Why not make hibiscus lemonade? And to make things even more complicated, I've also decided to make it with stevia. I have some stevia that's granular. Where is it? I keep in a jar. So it's just like, I use it just like sugar when I want to, but just like less. And just grab some lemons from the tree. Currently, I have on the stove boiling some Jamaica hibiscus flowers in water and stevia. And it is boiling right now. And I am now juicing some lemons to add in when it's all done and boiled. That's it. That's all I'm doing. But I thought I'd share it with you. I've turned the stove off because I think it's boiled long enough. How long? I don't know. It seems to have reduced a little. I'm going to take the piths out of these and dry the rinds out, the peels, so that I can maybe make some lemon oil or lemon vinegar for washing. I think that could be nice. So I'm going to take the seeds out because we don't need those. Put them in a jar. I don't have enough vinegar, so I have to go buy some tomorrow. But I'm excited to try lemon cleaner. I've made orange before by putting all my orange peels in a jar. That smells good. It gets dank. There we go. Perfect size for this jar. This is getting nice and cool. It's still pretty hot, but I'm going to transfer it so it can cool down in a different container. This smells gorgeous. It definitely smells like Jamaica, and it's a lot of it too. So definitely gonna have to transfer that to a bottle so I can use it in other drinks and such. Let's try it. Yup. I mean, yeah. Might take the enamel off my teeth, but it's pretty good. This. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah. It could probably actually use more Jamaica. I probably could add more stevia. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's get a fresh spoon. Okay. You know, little stevia goes a long way. That's probably a little more gentle for my guests. My guests might not be so down to clown as I am. But that's refreshing. I should probably filter it and put it in a really pretty bottle and set up a photo shoot. Just make you all feel real jealous of my life. But I don't really want to do that because you don't need to see that. It's a waste of both of our times. Try it out. Buy some Jamaica. J, it's spelled with a J. Well, let me find the package so you can see it. It looks like these. These are the little flowers of the hibiscus tree. Here you go. That's what it looks like. That's the blossom. All dried up, ready to go. It'd be cool to try and make maybe like a jelly. That could be fun. And I think, to be honest, I feel like this Jamaica could be boiled down longer because it don't taste as sweet as I'd like. Do I? Do I dare? See how much more I can squeeze out of these because, you know, this is a side note. Side note, this is my Berkey. It's a water filter, gravity fed. It's so I don't have to buy water bottles and I don't have to have a water service. Berkey filters. Berkey filters have two taters. This one has two ceramic filters. I can't remember where I bought my Berkey filters. I did not buy them from Berkey because Berkey's not allowed to sell in California because they won't like submit to the testing or whatever that California state requires in order to sell here, blah, 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 blah. I went on Reddit, I found another company that sells ceramic filters. Bada bing, bada boom. I just put it here on a bowl in my sink so I don't have to sit there and faff about with it. And then it just slowly drips into this container. And then you have water. It's pretty cool. I highly recommend a gravity-fed water filter. There are many brands. You don't need to get this one. I got this at a thrift store. That's why I have it. I couldn't afford it. But I saw it at a thrift store and I said, whoo, that's exciting. It was a full $80 at the thrift store. I almost didn't get it because I was just angry, like in principle. I was like, but I'm glad I did it because it's paid for itself, to be honest. There are YouTube channels that are devoted to it. Check them out. If you're here already, check them out. Thanks for joining me. Oh, you know what? I'll be right back. I'll get a bottle. We'll make it look nice since I sidetracked you with my Berkey filter. Hold on. All right, let's see if we can do this without making a mess. All right. And you know, it's just, this is going to be a concentrate that you then add to water, I think. And this lid doesn't quite fit because it's from a yogurt, so it doesn't twist. I have a lid for this. Oh, I don't know where the lid is, so that's all. Thank you. There, see? Thumbnails. I'm gonna do a thumbnail. I'm not good at these. Oh God, the light above me. Super flattering, huh? All right. Thanks for joining me. This has been real chaotic and fun, but it's nice to have someone to talk to. I need to come back and share with you a little update. I added some of the Trader Joe's lemon elderflower to my hibiscus lemonade. Yeah, that's what it is. It could be a really good mocktail if you're doing like that, if you're really needing something that's zippy and fun while you're being sober. Oh, heck yeah. Now, it's not sugar-free anymore because this girl got cane sugar. You know, I can't win them all.